Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang suspension order ni Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia na pinataw sa kanya ng ombudsman. Ayaw niyang mag-step down bilang gobernadora. Ang DILG naman ayaw gumalaw habang walang clarification from COMELEC. Ito, habang naghihintayan sila, ito may rest back move, hits back. Si Governor Garcia nagsampa ng kaso laban kay Ombudsman Martires. Ito sa post ng Batas PH, title, Gwen hits back at Ombudsman. So basahin ko Suspended Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia has filed a complaint for election offense against Ombudsman Samuel Martires before the Commission on Elections, alleging that the Tanod Bayan committed a serious violation of election law by issuing a preventive suspension against her at the height of the election period. In a 10-page complaint lodged with the COMELEC Law Department on May 7, 2025, Garcia alleged that Martires committed grave abuse of authority, gross misconduct, dishonesty, and negligence, citing violations of RA 6713 or the Code of Conduct of Ethical Standards for Public Officials. Martires was charged with violation of Rule 5, Section 15 and 16 of the Omnibus Election Code and COMELEC Resolution 11059, which prohibit the suspension of any local elective official within 90 days before an election unless prior approval is secured from COMELEC. Garcia also cited Article 22, Section 261 of Batas Pambansa 881 as one of her legal arguments in saying that suspending an elected official during this period constitutes an election offense punishable by up to 6 years in prison, disqualification from public office, and loss of voting rights under Republic Act 9006 in relation to Section 264 of the Omnibus Election Code. She also slammed Martires by saying that charges against her lodged before the Ombudsman are purely administrative and do not fall under the ambit of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, which is the only exemption that allows suspension during the election period. Okay? So, yun po. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments, Comments. Bobo Vlog, sabi, kaya walang asenso ang Pilipinas. Sky Carl, Happy Mother's Day sa Reyna. Hindi ko na lang basahin. Reyna ng blank. Medyo masama. Christian Ramos, Batas PH, nag-share ka ng fake news. I-amen mo naman yung na-share mo by clarifying na fake news yan. Batas pa-name. Fake news pala ito. Hindi pala. Yung bayan mo na disqualified. John Mark Delphine Ignacio. I am not a fan of Gwen nor a hater, but her claims have legal basis to stand on. Ana Marie Perting Haura. Botuanon ini. Gwen is too much of a power addict who doesn't want to get out of her throne. See you there. Technically, you should know yourself, Gwendolyn, that it will not excuse you from the alleged long-term corruption you have done in Cebu. Feeling mo naman ma-erase irregularities mo kahit anong takip mo dyan. Jim Orts, sabi niya, defying Ombudsman Gwen's dangerous precedent. Jim Orts, tapos na. Abra Cliff, playing with fire, the order of suspension will not vanish. Instead, it wielded more with titanium. The election fever ends definitely and the order defied goes on. ATS DM, is Ombudsman removable from office through impeachment proceeding? Kung desidido si Gwen, mag-file siya ng impeachment complaint kay Speaker Martin. Reynaldo Bautista Noble, bridge over troubled water. Steve Crisologo, Tuara. Never ngit. Sos Gwen, enough of your nonsense. Okay, ito, may nabasa lang akong post na mayroong exception na pwedeng masuspend ang isang elected public official kung ang dahilan is graft and corruption. So, itong reklamo against kay Governor Garcia is nag-issue siya ng special permit sa isang kumpanya na magkuha ba yun ng quarrying sa isang protected area nung El Nino. Basta ganon. So, kung nag-issue siya na walang environmental permit, so, will that be considered graft and corruption? Anyway, hindi ako abogado, ano? So, tingnan natin kung anong magiging response ni Ombudsman Martires nito. Dati siyang justice ng Supreme Court. Palagay ko, alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Hindi siya mag-issue ng suspension order na yan pag alam niya na ayan, may omnibus election code na bawal palang mag-suspend 90 days kung ano. Let's leave this to Ombudsman Martires. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari sa rest back na ito ni Governor Gwen Garcia.